Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you are encountering DISM error 1392, then watch this video for the solutions. The first thing we need to do is run a Windows update. So we'll right click on the start button, go to settings, click on Windows update, then click check for updates, and while that's running, we'll go to advanced options, optional updates, and we'll update and install any driver updates that are here. Second thing we need to do is run an SFC scan. So for that, we'll go to command prompt, right click on command prompt, click on run as admin, and then we will enter the command sfc space slash scannow and press enter. After the scan finishes scanning and repairing the computer, we will enter the command chkdsk space slash f space slash r and press enter. Then I'll press Y and press enter. So I am not pressing enter for any of these commands because it takes quite a long time and will increase the length of this video. So once we do that, we should click on the start button, click on the power button, and then click on restart, and this error should no longer appear. But in the rare case it does, then we need to reset the computer. For that, we'll right click on the start button, go to settings, and then we will look for system, scroll down for recovery, click on recovery, and then click on reset PC, and we'll click on remove everything. But before you remove everything, you need to make sure that you back up your personal data on an external hard drive because you need it for the future. Click on remove everything, and then click on cloud download and click on next, and it will reset the PC to a brand new configuration, and this error should disappear. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.